Spoticash. It is a win-win game for you. Listen to your favorite music and get paid. How? Thanks to Spoticash. Click on the link in the video description. Get Spoticash.
Fountain of Youth. Best anti-aging secrets. Looking good is good business. Stay younger, stronger, and happier. Click on the first link in the video description and download Spoticash. Share, like.
Viper software. It is called Viper because it is the first automated TikTok traffic app. Take advantage of it and grow your TikTok audience. Click on the first link in the video description to get instant access to Viper software.
Click Home Income app. It is programmed to bring free organic traffic to your affiliate offers and promotions. You only have to perform simple tasks and get paid. Click on the link in the video description to get instant access. Comment.
Start your own Amazon Prime or Netflix TV channel. Create and host a live TV channel and get free targeted traffic in 2 minutes and get paid. To find out more, click on the first link in the video description. How to make money online in 2022. Outsource local businesses in need of local services and get paid. Does that sound interesting to you? Click on the description of this video to get started. The click engine. Ads are the lifeblood of any business online. The problem is that ads are expensive. For this reason, the click engine comes in. Click on the link in the description to know about the click engine software. Share, like. The secret email system. Email marketing is one of the smartest ways of making money online. But you need to know the best practices. Click on the link in the video description for more info about email marketing. 300 HQ cooking recipe. Good meal, keep your day running. Click on the link in the description to get access to more than 1,300 exclusive lifetime high-quality cooking video recipes. ClickBank Kits. ClickBank Kits are email marketing tools and strategies. The right marketing strategy and tools give you an advantage when it comes to email marketing. Click on the first link in the description of this video to get access to ClickBank Kits.